SmartMicro and the microwave oven should be placed in a clean air environment for installation. Unplug the microwave oven power cord from its power supply. Plug the microwave oven power cord into the SmartMicro control box. Plug the SmartMicro control box into the wall outlet. Attach the magnetic SmartMicro sensor above the microwave oven exhaust vent. Wait until the SmartMicro sensor LED turns blue. Once the LED on the sensor turns blue, the microwave oven is ready to be used. No more nuisance alarms or building evacuations. Want proof? Let's throw a package of popcorn in an unprotected microwave alongside a microwave protected by SmartMicro. The microwave oven protected by SmartMicro interrupts power to the microwave at the first sign of smoke and well before activating the smoke detector and fire alarm, preventing an evacuation. The SmartMicro then automatically resets the microwave, ending the cooking cycle until restarted by the user. The unprotected microwave continues to smoke, and smoke, and smoke. You get the picture. SmartMicro is proven prevention technology, protecting properties, people, and saving you money.